Hey everyone! Today we're dehydrating fresh and canned pineapple for a delicious, healthy snack. Let's get started. First, we are making some DIY parchment paper round liners. I have a video, I will link it below so that you can take a look at that. But you are going to want to use some sort of a liner. Pineapple will get sticky and stick to your trays. I am now cutting up my pineapple. Cut it into fours, which makes it really nice and easy to get that core out. Some people do dehydrate the cores. That's completely up to you. I did not. I've just cut up all my pineapple. I am lining it up on those parchment round liners that I made. That is such a good hack, too. Go check that out. So we got 2 trays out of that one cut up pineapple. And then I am using 1 can of the pineapple rings and 1 can of pineapple chunks. Just getting those arranged. The pineapple's going to shrink. You definitely usually want to give everything a little bit of space, but it's going to shrink pretty quickly. And let's turn it on 135 degrees. Now the book says that it should take about 6 to 12 hours. Because I had the parchment paper liners, it did take longer. I ended up removing those kind of midway or so once the pineapple was dry enough that it wasn't sticking to my trays. This way I had better airflow. The pineapple rounds I thought were a fail. So I took those off, put them aside, got my pineapple pieces put away, and later on I realized that those rounds were not a fail, and they taste like fruit leather. They were actually delicious. I was thrilled with all of the results. Give it a try. This is a great way to preserve your pineapple. Enjoy, everyone.